1 in 6 people globally are impacted by infertility at some point in their life. In the US alone right now, 1 in 5 women will struggle for over a year to conceive. I didn't talk about my infertility when I was going through it, so I imagine that the problem is even larger. I am Dr. Jennifer Hintzsche. I am the CEO and founder of PherDal Fertility Science. The inspiration for PherDal came after my own infertility diagnosis. I had been trying to conceive for 12 months. I had to wait that long before I could go see a specialist. They ran every single test they could on me, and they diagnosed me with unexplained infertility. The idea that it could just be like, we have no idea what's wrong with you, was shocking. The only option I was given was a $10,000 loan application to try a treatment for a problem they couldn't define. They wanted to get sperm closer to the egg, and I was like, I think we can do that ourselves at home. Fortunately, being a PhD in biology, I ordered lab supplies, and I'm married to a mechanical engineer. That worked out in hindsight. And we invented a medical device that conceived our daughter. Once I helped myself, that's when I started telling the world. It snowballed from there. My husband came home one day and I was like, hear me out. I want to try to help other people. And he's like, I don't know if you can sell that kind of thing on the internet. I said, watch me. And so I put together 200 proof of concept kits. And after those first 200 kits sold out, we were like, okay, we're on to something. Like, infertility is a huge problem and people need and want this. The FDA was like, cool, but you need clearance. And we didn't have 3 to 5 million laying around to go through FDA clearance. So I just decided to try crowdfunding. I learned about mHUB in 2024. I was at a pitch competition when I met the co-founder of mHUB, and he told me about this magical, amazing place that had every single thing you could ever need to make physical products, and other entrepreneurs that were all like me and trying to really create something that would help people. And the best thing about mHUB is that the people here, they want to help. So I have literally had someone introduce me to someone who introduces me to someone, and they're like, yes, I can sit down. How can I help? And that's like the amazing community that mHUB has really fostered, and why it is so special and has meant so much to me to be here for the past year. We had such a huge response. We have 34 babies from this first proof of concept kit. If they all share their story, this is real. The hope is real. They helped us raise the $630,000 that paid for FDA clearance and got us on the market and to where we are today. And I'm so grateful for each of them. We have already helped now hundreds of babies. We are excited that we're going to start partnering with OBs and really have this as the new first line of infertility treatment that people can try, because they can do it in the privacy of their own home. It's 1 inch lower than what they would do in the clinic. And so what's next for PherDal is 1 in 6 people globally are going to struggle with infertility, and they need an affordable and accessible option, and PherDal is going to provide it to them.